Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Wartales game crashing or crashing at startup, crash to desktop, stuck on loading screen, lagging, low FPS, black screen, freezing, not working, fatal error or other issues on PC. So let's jump to the solutions. The very first method is to restart your PC. This is an important step, so don't miss it out. Simply click on the Windows icon. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, next method is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it. Click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will verify your game files. It may take some time, wait for it, and after that try to launch the game and then check. If not, next is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam again, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Now under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it is working now. If it doesn't work, again come back, type -dx12 and then check if the game is launching now. But if the issue still continues, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Now right click on it, click on manage, click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here you have to select the game application. Now after that, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or previous version Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and see if this helps to fix the issue. But if the issue still continues again and again, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Next method is to allow the game through firewall. That go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now here click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game, whether it's listed or not. So if you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. Now go to the game folder, select the game application. After that, here you have to select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, then click on OK. Finally launch the game and then check. If not, next is to perform a clean boot. For that, you have to press Windows plus R and have to type msconfig and press enter. This will open system configuration page. Here you have to go to services tab and have to select hide all Microsoft services. After that, click on disable all. After that, go to startup tab, click on open task manager. Here also you have to do the same thing, select the application and here click on disable. After doing this, go back, click on OK and finally launch the game and then check if you can play it. If not, next is to check graphic settings of the game. So when a graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, shadow quality, resolution or others, then it directly impacts the game. So this is where the game can crash and suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphic settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issue. Next method is to stop overclock CPU and GPU settings. So sometimes overclocking makes the CPU or GPU unstable. So you are suggested to check if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background. This will surely help to resolve the problem. Next solution is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option. This will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and then try to launch the game and then check. If not, next is to update graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description. You can easily update your graphics card from there. Next method is to install Visual C++ files. For that, either go to the link that I have already provided in the description or you can search for Visual C++ files in Google. Now after the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download Visual C++ files. Once the file is downloaded, click on it to open, and after that you will get repair or install option. Click on it and wait for some time. After it gets set up successful message, close this. Now restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now log into the game once again and then check if you can play the game without any further problem. If not, next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam, click on settings. Now here you have to click on in-game. Check enable the Steam overlay while in-game option is enabled or disabled. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and check. GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, and here switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay options. Next method is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having an antivirus program, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issues. The antivirus program blocks the game and you cannot play. So it's suggested to check the settings of that particular program or disable it to play the game without any further problem. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding the game to the list, select it. On the arrow icon, you have to select high performance under GPU preference, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, next is to increase virtual memory. For that, go to the Windows search for view advanced system settings. Click on settings, click on advanced, click on change. Here you have to select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size, type 12288. In the maximum size, type 24576. Click on set and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and then check if it's working now. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Wartales games. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC once. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam, log into it. After that, reinstall Wartales games once again. And once it is installed, click on the play button to check if the game is launching now or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Wartales game crashing, not loading, lagging, freezing, not working, showing black screen, fatal error or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.